Whenever I have challenges in my life, I often look to nature for the answers. The codependency you find in nature, you also find in families. So our environment plays such a big part in who we become. I wanted to have my own practice, and I think the turning point was when I could clearly see what it would look like. So not just another practice.
So you've got collaborative law practice, I guess, which is basically where different parties that are involved in a particular matter have an equal seat at the table to make important decisions that come together and represent that point of view, and together you try and create a mutually beneficial solution.
I took that and thought, well, this is how I would like to create a practice, because this is what people are telling me what they need.
Maria has built something that is very client-focused and collaborative. So we are so conscious of the different areas of people's lives and knowing that we can't be everything to everyone. So we work really closely with counsellors, therapists, tax specialists, accountants.
Family law is a little bit different from other areas of law in that there's a fair bit of grey. And you actually have to draw on your knowledge, not just from the law, but from all areas of life.
And I think that our office is very special in the sense of how we run as a team. Try to reach agreements early on in the proceedings, because it does really save the clients a lot of time, a lot of money and stress on their lives.
In our imagery, we look a lot at nature and animals. Our vigilance will keep you safe it really reflects Loukas Law's expertise, work ethic, again, holistic viewpoint that we impart through the client experience. And we're saying to our clients, lean on us to look into the future for you. And if you trust us, we'll be able to navigate you through that.
We understand that when people come through our doors, they are dealing with a myriad of emotions and are often overwhelmed with the changes that they're facing in their lives. Loukas Law has a strong collaboration with Palairos Pty Ltd Counselling, and it enables us to direct our clients to their services for the emotional support that they need, while we can focus on getting the best legal outcome for them.
They really do come here to find that connection with us as a lawyer. We're not just about the guidance through the legal system, but we're also about caring for our clients and what we do, making sure that they feel comfortable, because obviously it's a high stress experience going through what they're going through.
So the whole culture of this place is really unique. It's like a family here. Everyone really is caring and really supports you, and that is also reflected in the care that Maria provides to her clients.
As part of Loukas Law, we're very big on incorporating other people collaboratively into the process.
An accountant's role is, in some instances, absolutely pivotal to be able to identify the assets that are involved, the matters that needed to be dealt with. And so Loukas Law recognised that.
The knowledge of tax structures and accounting structures, trusts, companies, partnerships, is quite difficult and very complex. Maria has got a very good understanding of that, whilst respecting that specialists need to get involved in that space as well.
Their legal expertise, their in-depth understanding of tax and financial structures, being focused on the outcomes, practical decisions rather than just simply technically what you can do, are all the reasons why I'd continue to refer to Loukas Law.
It is not a sprint, it is a marathon, and the strength in your team and your lawyer comes from being able to endure and to keep going, and to know that no one is going to know your case or the other person's case better than you. You must be very conscious of what's going on around you, but know exactly where you need to get.